everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into how to change subdomain and connect your own domain. And by then, we all know about how Bitrix24 websites we can change our domain. So, glad you see, hit that like button and let's get started. Change Bitrix24 subdomain for your site. By default, Bitrix24 automatically creates the address of your site using a random set of characters with the main domain, like .bitrix24.site. You can change the subdomain to change it more recognizable and attract to more traffic by adding keywords related to your company. To change the subdomain, go to Sites and open the needed tab. Select the select the site and click on the three buttons and choose Configuration Site. In the site address section, click the pencil icon. In the Bitrix24 subdomain tab, enter your preferable subdomain. Add whatever you want to change for subdomain and check the domain availability and click on Save button. Once set up, your Bitrix24 site will be available at the new addresses. You can always change the subdomain or switch to a different main domain. Now, connect your site to your own domain. A domain is a unique name of your website, which is used to find the access the site on the internet. In Bitrix24, you can link your domain to your site on any Bitrix24 plan. To add this, you need to purchase a domain name for a register. Check domain availability. As I said in previous, go to the sites section, select the derived site and click configure site in the menu. Check that the domain is available for registration. Click on the own domain. You will see a CNAME a record that you need. You need to specify in DNS to connect the domain. Leave the page with Bitrix24 site settings open and go to the personal page of the service where you brought the domain. Configuration domain resources record. From here, we can use our domain name, whatever we registration from outside. And we can save this one. A domain is a unique name of your website, which is used to find and access the site on the internet. In Bitrix24, you can link your own domain to your site on any Bitrix24 plan. To do this, you need to purchase domain name for a region. Do not use Bitrix in the domain name, such as a domain can't be connected to a Bitrix24 site or an online store. Select the necessary DNS record on the register personal page and fill in the subdomain. Canonical name and IP address field with the data from Bitrix24. If you are Cloudflare, make sure that DNS proxying is connected off before connecting the domain to Bitrix24. The proxy status column should be indicate DNS only. When the domain is activated, publish the site. It will be available at the new address. In the way, we can add our subdomain and own domain in Bitrix24 site. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comment below and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.